Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars, smartwatches, or even factory robots process data so fast? The answer is edge computing. And it's changing the future of technology. But what exactly is it and why it's very important? Let's break it down in simple terms. So I am Anasi Akash. Welcome to the channel. Right now most of our data is sent to cloud servers far away, processed there and then sent back to our devices. This works well, but it causes delays. Imagine you are in a self-driving car and it needs to make an instant decision to avoid an accident. It can't afford to wait for data to travel back and forth from the cloud. Edge computing solves this problem by processing data close to where it's generated, right at the edge of the network. Instead of sending everything to a cloud server, the computing happens on local devices like sensors, cameras, routers, or even small data centers near you. This makes processing much faster and efficient. Here are 3 reasons why edge computing is very important. Number 1. Faster processing. Since data doesn't have to travel so far, decisions are made instantly. Number 2 is better security and privacy. Less data is sent over the internet, reducing hacking risk. And finally, number 3 is working without the internet. Some devices can work if there is no data or internet, or even network may be slow. And the main thing here is, edge computing is already powering some of the coolest technologies around us. Like self-driving cars, smart home devices, and AI surveillance cameras are the best examples for this. So in conclusion, edge computing is not replacing the cloud, but making it smarter and more efficient. As AI and IoT devices grow, edge computing will become even more powerful. What do you think? Will edge computing take over cloud computing? Drop your thoughts in the comment box and subscribe to the channel.